So in DeepSeek, what you can actually also do is add in a voice plugin so that you can speak and dictate the prompts that you want. So to do that in the Chrome Web Store, as long as you're using a Chromium-based browser, you can go ahead and search for an extension. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say DeepSeek voice right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and choose that, you can see that voice to DeepSeek is an option, and I can simply go ahead and click right here and click on add to Chrome and add the extension right here. So once you go ahead and do that, I can go ahead into DeepSeek and let's say refresh this out right here. So let's just go ahead and refresh, and I'm going to go ahead right here and turn on voice to DeepSeek right here. Let's just go ahead and turn this on, voice to DeepSeek right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So seems like it is active. So let's just go ahead and refresh. Then you can see that voice is here. So let's just go ahead and turn this on. And now once I do that, I can simply go ahead and dictate out to DeepSeek. So let's say, for example, I can say something like, hello, how are you? So you can see that I can simply dictate in DeepSeek right here and then send the prompt as I like. And that is how you can simply go ahead and then utilize the DeepSeek voice plugin as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.